Meaning of imbecile.
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 Imbecile. Imbecile is a derogatory term used to describe someone who is considered foolish, mentally deficient, or stupid. It is an insulting way of referring to someone's intelligence level and is considered impolite. The word comes from the Latin word imbecillus, which means weak or feeble. In contemporary usage, it is often used as an insult to criticize someone's intellectual capacity or lack of common sense. Using this term to describe someone can be hurtful and degrading, and it is important to consider the impact of our language on others. Instead, it is better to use more respectful and inclusive language when communicating with others.